Dive into first-person narratives. Hey, everyone! Today, we're going to delve deep into one of the most intimate and personal narrative techniques in literature, the first person. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what first-person narrative is but also appreciate the power it holds in making stories more relatable and immersive. First-person narrative is when a story is told from the perspective of a character within the story, usually the main character. This means that everything we learn from the story is limited to this character's knowledge, feelings, and experiences. The pronouns I, me, my, and we are commonly used. For example, in the sentence, I walked to the store, the story is being told from the narrator's own perspective. Why do authors choose the first-person perspective? Here are some reasons. 1. Intimacy. Readers can get closely acquainted with the protagonist. We see their thoughts, feelings, and motivations firsthand. 2. Relatability. As readers, it's often easier to connect with a character's personal experiences. 3. Immediacy. Events are experienced in the here and now, which can make the story more engaging and gripping. While the first person can be incredibly immersive, it's not without its challenges. 1. Limited perspective. We only see the world through one character's eyes. This means we might miss out on events or perspectives that are crucial to the plot. 2. Reliability. Can we trust the narrator? Sometimes, they might be biased or have faulty memories. 3. Overuse of I. Authors need to be creative to avoid overusing the pronoun I, which can become monotonous. Some celebrated novels using the first-person perspective include To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee, The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger, The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, though this is a unique example where the protagonist isn't the narrator. These novels showcase the depth and richness that first-person narratives can bring to a story. Thanks for joining us today on our journey through the world of first-person narratives. This technique allows authors to create a deep bond between readers and characters, making stories memorable and emotional. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the magic behind first-person storytelling. Until next time, happy reading!